Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope everyone's well. We've got this lovely 2015 solid polar white Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's a 3 litre E350d V6 BlueTEC AMG line. It's currently at 41,748 miles and it is a diesel automatic with full service history. Really nice looking thing. We'll start off with the alloys. It's got the 18-inch AMG 7 twin spoke design alloy wheels. It's got the Mercedes-Benz calipers, brake calipers with the LED headlights with the LED intelligent light system, so that's really good. There's the third one and there's the fourth one. It does have front and rear parking sensors and the panoramic glass sunroof, all around green privacy glass, well tinted glass. It's got a service in 2022, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016 and 2015, which is really good. It'll have another service stamp by the main Volkswagen dealership just over there that we partnered with, so that's really good. It's got auto dimming rear view mirrors, alarm with Immobiliser and interior protection, heated windscreen with washer system. Yeah, really nice. I'll just show you the tailgate. There's the tailgate. Just step inside the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, as you can see, it's got the two-tone Napa leather, carbon black Napa leather with the suede, with the red stitching, child protection, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors, storage compartment and the tailgate opener just there, electronic adjustable seats working perfectly fine, Napa leather seats with the two-tone suede and the red stitching, same with the multifunction steering wheel. Got this Napa leather with the red stitching, which is really nice. It's got voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with speed limiter. It's got automatic headlights and automatic wipers with the centre instrument cluster. As you can see, it's got 41,748 miles. It's got AM, oh it's a little bit loud, AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth integration as well. It's got internet radio, satellite navigation, there's telephone. Yeah, really nice. It's got front heated seats at the driver's and passenger side with 3 different settings working perfectly fine. Parking assist, eco mode, dual zone air conditioning, 12-volt plug socket and storage compartment, 2 cup holders, menu selector. It's got a Napa leather armrest with a key storer. Inside the armrest, it's got 2 USB ports and a storage compartment. It's got electronic sliding roof, as you can see, working perfectly fine, no faults in the system, which is really nice. Ideal for a warm summer's day. There you go, no faults in the system or glitches or malfunctions, which is really good. Working perfectly fine, very smooth. There you go. I'll keep it open for the time being so it lets more light in. Also has a seatbelt arm assist. Once you step in, this seatbelt comes out and it gives you the seatbelt, which is really nice. It's got ISOFIX seats here and here, storage compartment and a cup holder, air conditioning unit. It's got the Napa leather seats, plenty of leg space, well looked after by the previous owner. Really nice regarding the interior. I'll just show you the tailgate. It's got a really big boot, storage compartment here on the left. Yeah, no scuffs, no tears in the interior. It's got a first aid kit, AdBlue tank and a tyre kit just there. So yeah, really nice regarding the interior as a whole. There's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.